looking for precise temperature control while baking or roasting. The best cooking thermometer for oven ensures your dishes are perfectly cooked every time. From meats to casseroles, this tool helps eliminate guesswork and guarantees consistent, delicious results. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. ThermoMaven Cooking Thermometer for Oven. The ThermoMaven Cooking Thermometer for Oven is designed for home chefs who want both convenience and professional-level precision in their cooking. One of its standout features is the Smart Display Base, which allows users to view real-time readings and set target temperatures without relying solely on an app. Still, the option to use the app adds extra flexibility, giving you the best of both worlds. Unlike traditional Bluetooth-only devices, the ThermoMaven P2 connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, giving you unlimited range to monitor your food from anywhere. It's 100% wireless, so you never have to deal with messy cords while cooking. Equipped with 6 high-accuracy sensors, 5 internal and 1 external, the ThermoMaven achieves NIST-certified accuracy with just plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit variation and a 0.01 degrees Fahrenheit resolution. That means you can trust the readings completely, whether you're roasting a chicken or slow cooking a brisket. It also comes with 2 ultra-thin probes that let you track multiple dishes at once without piercing too deeply into the meat, keeping the juices intact. Cleanup is simple because the probes are IPX8 waterproof and safe for the dishwasher. Another advantage is its ability to withstand high heat, tracking internal meat temperatures up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit and ambient cooking environments up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're grilling, smoking, or roasting, this thermometer delivers the performance you need. It's perfect for anyone who takes their cooking seriously and wants reliable results every time. If you're tired of overcooked steaks or underdone roasts, the ThermoMaven P2 provides the precision and convenience needed for stress-free, professional-quality meals. Number 2. Meuulty Cooking Thermometer for Oven. The Meuulty Cooking Thermometer for Oven is one of the most trusted wireless meat thermometers on the market, praised by experts in publications like Food and Wine, Forbes, and Men's Health. It has earned a strong reputation for delivering consistent results and making the cooking process easier for everyone from beginners to professionals. What sets the Meuulty Plus apart is its truly wireless design. No cables or messy wires, just complete freedom to cook without restrictions. Thanks to its built-in Bluetooth repeater in the charger, the Meuulty Plus extends its wireless range so you can monitor your food from virtually anywhere in your home. Even better, the thermometer only needs a quick 5-minute charge to provide 2 hours of cooking time, which is perfect when you need it on short notice. The dual sensor technology is another highlight, allowing you to measure both internal meat temperature, up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and ambient temperature, up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit, at the same time. This ensures your food is cooked evenly and to perfection. The guided cook system on the Meuulty app makes the whole process foolproof by providing real-time alerts, step-by-step instructions, and estimated finish times. This feature is particularly helpful if you're new to cooking or trying out complex recipes. Cleanup is also stress-free since the probe is dishwasher safe. Number 3. ThermoPro Cooking Thermometer for Oven. The ThermoPro Cooking Thermometer for Oven is an excellent option for those who value stability, simplicity, and reliability. Unlike many Bluetooth thermometers, this model uses advanced RF technology, which provides much better signal penetration and stability. With a range of up to 1,000 feet and the ability to extend that to 2,000 feet with a range extender, you can confidently monitor your barbecue or oven dishes from nearly anywhere in your home or backyard. This makes it ideal for larger gatherings or long cooks where you don't want to be stuck near the grill. Another standout feature is the easy setup. There's no need to download an app, sign up for an account, or deal with complicated setups. Simply power it on and start cooking, which makes it perfect for those who prefer straightforward gadgets. The probes are 100% wire-free and come with an IPX8 waterproof rating, which not only makes them safe to clean, but also extends their lifespan by protecting against water damage. The ThermoPro also includes color-coded probes, which makes it simple to track multiple meats without confusion. The large display clearly shows both probe temperatures, barbecue temperatures, and target settings at a glance, eliminating the need to constantly check an app. This is especially useful during long smokes or roasts. With its elegant packaging, it also makes an excellent gift for grilling enthusiasts or home chefs. Number 4. Chef Cooking Thermometer for Oven. The Chef Cooking Thermometer for Oven is built for cooks who want precision and smart technology combined in one powerful tool. Its design focuses on giving users perfect doneness every time, thanks to real-time updates, rest timers, flip reminders, and even guided recipes. It includes 5 sensors, 4 for internal temperature readings and 1 for ambient conditions, so you can be confident your food is evenly cooked from edge to center. Unlike some thermometers that can't handle extreme heat, this model is engineered for durability and can withstand up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, making it great for high-heat grilling and searing. Its ultra-thin probe ensures minimal impact on your food, preserving juices and flavor. Another advantage is the unlimited wireless range through Wi-Fi, which allows you to monitor your cook from anywhere. This makes it especially convenient during social gatherings when you'd rather mingle with guests instead of hovering over the oven or grill. The Chef Thermometer also has excellent battery life, lasting up to 70 hours on a single charge, which makes it perfect for long cooks like briskets or large roasts. Pairing with the Chef IQ app adds another layer of convenience, giving you access to hundreds of presets, USDA-approved doneness levels, and video-guided recipes. The included Smart Hub acts as the central control system and even provides audio notifications, ensuring you never miss an update. Whether you're preparing turkey for Thanksgiving or smoking ribs on the weekend, this thermometer makes the process easier and more accurate. Number 5. Meuulty Cooking Thermometer for Oven. The Meuulty Cooking Thermometer for Oven combines smart technology with ease of use, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and experienced home chefs. One of its best features is the smart wireless display, which functions independently, so you don't need an app if you prefer simplicity. Still, for those who enjoy connected cooking, the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi app control options let you set alerts, monitor doneness levels, and track progress directly from your phone. The thermometer comes with dual temperature sensors that measure both internal meat temperature, up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and ambient oven or grill temperature, up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit, at the same time. This ensures your dishes are cooked thoroughly and with precision. With ultra-fast readings in just 2 to 3 seconds and plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit accuracy, you can trust it to deliver consistent results whether you're grilling steaks, roasting turkey, or baking chicken. The construction is equally impressive, using food-grade stainless steel for safe and durable performance. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless after use. The thermometer is designed for high-heat cooking, so you can use it confidently with ovens, grills, or smokers. What makes it stand out is its ability to balance advanced features with user-friendly operation, appealing to tech lovers and traditional cooks alike. Packaged beautifully, the Meuulty thermometer also makes an excellent gift for food lovers, especially during holidays like Thanksgiving or Christmas. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.